everyone, this is Afsana. In this video, we're going to see about the term research. What is research? Research is a work that involves studying something, trying to discover facts about it, investigate, study, inquire, analysis, um, examination or exploration or scrutiny, experimentation or groundwork, fact finding carefully and systematic, patient study and investigation in some field of knowledge to understand, to undertake, to discover or establish a fact of principle. So, the term research is a process of a step used to collect, analyze information to increase the understanding of the topic or the issue. It is clearly defined. It is to collect. It is the collecting information about a particular subject, to study something carefully, to collect information about or for something carefully or diligent search. Okay, so systematic investigative process employed to increase or revise a current knowledge by discovering new facts. Okay, so we have several types of research, like we example a basic research or applied research. Basic research is an inquiry aimed to increase this scientific knowledge, but in applied research is an effort aimed to using a basic research for solving a problem or developing a new process, product or a technique. Research is a work that involves studying something or trying to discover a fact. What are the different characteristics of research? Research is a systematic inquiry that investigates the hypothesis, means the assumption, okay, which suggests a new interpretation of a data or a text and poses a new question for a future research to explore. Research can be of which can ask which will have the three characteristics, which clearly says clearing a defined purpose, means asking questions that nobody has an answer before. Okay, you have to ask a question which nobody has answered before. And objectivity, doing the necessary work to find the answer. You have to focus on, or you have to have certain goals to work towards it. It should be more systematic, communicating the knowledge you have acquired to larger audience. You need to be more systematic. You need to have a particular format where you can reach the larger audience. What are the objectives of research? Research is to find out a real fact. Okay, so it is to achieve a new thoughts, to evaluate the information, to test the hypothesis, to design or implement the research to improve the understanding. These are the points which is the major objectives of research. The purpose of a research here says that when you're discovering an answer to a question through the application of a systematic procedure, the main aim of a research is to find out the truth, right, which is hidden, which is not been discovered as yet, though each reason or each research study has its own specific purpose. We may think of a research objective as falling into a number of groups, like which can be gaining familiarities with the phenomenon or to achieve new insight to into it. You study when you are having some objective, right? So it is also giving you an accurate characteristics of a particular individuals or situations or a group when you are doing a research. So it also determines the frequencies with which the something occurs when something occurs, or with which it is associated with something else, like it is being diagnosed as a research when you are doing when you are looking at an object. You try to find out what it is, and you assume. When you are assuming, that becomes your hypothesis, where you are trying to find out whether what you have assumed is right or not, by having a proper standardized format. So to test a hypothesis of a causal relationship between a variables is like having a proper research studies. Fine. So research is a systematic approach or a process which investigate to improve the current knowledge by discovering a new fact. So that's all about research. Thank you so much for watching this video. Thank you all. Thank you.